In this video, I will show you how to allow sharing stories on Instagram. So if you actually want people or followers or non-followers you have to share your story to a post or to their own stories, what you can do is you can head over right here to your profile. Then from there, click on these three lines. Now for this, click on this search and checking here for story. You can see this message and story reply. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you can see this story replies in here. Now you can see in here that you can now reply to people right here, and you can not see in here the message control. And then this message control will allow people to actually message you saying their own story. Another thing that you can do as well is to click on this hide story and live and make sure that your hide story or live is not shared. That way they will actually share it over and then allow sharing. Then also searching here for allow or just searching here for story in order to see what another option is to head over and just click on your story as well. Or click on this plus icon in here in order to see the settings. First the settings of your story. And then click on the settings of story in here, and then you scroll down, you can see in here this allow story. Make sure that this one is allowed in order to actually allow sharing on stories on Instagram, wherein other people can add your posts or IGTV videos there. So that's the whole process. If you have promised me the hot growth and the people like those subscribe because helps reach more people. See you soon.